Hey there, ever thought about maintaining your garage door yourself? It might seem daunting at first, but with a few simple steps you can keep your garage door in top shape without needing to call in a professional every time. Today I'm sharing 5 easy garage door maintenance hacks that will save you money and keep your door running smoothly. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, let's talk hardware. This is the backbone of your garage door system. Over time, bolts, nuts, and screws can get loose, causing all sorts of problems. These small components are crucial for the stability and functionality of your door. Grab a wrench and tighten everything up. Make sure to check every bolt and screw, as even one loose piece can cause issues. It's simple and prevents future issues. Regularly checking and tightening these components can save you from bigger headaches down the line. Trust me, your door will thank you. Next, lubrication is key. This is often overlooked but is essential for smooth operation. Every 6 months, get a high-quality lubricant and apply it to all moving parts, rollers, hinges, and tracks. This simple step can make a world of difference. This minimizes friction and wear, ensuring that your door operates smoothly and quietly. A squeaky door is annoying, right? It can also be a sign of wear and tear that needs addressing. Well, this hack keeps things running quietly and smoothly. You'll notice the difference immediately. Hack number 3, check your door's balance. This is crucial for the longevity of your garage door opener. Disconnect the opener and lift the door halfway. This test will tell you if your door is balanced. If it stays put, you're good. A balanced door is easier on the opener and ensures smooth operation. If it moves, it's unbalanced and could strain the opener. This can lead to more significant issues if not addressed. Better call in a pro for adjustments if needed. They have the tools and expertise to get it right. Keeping those tracks clean is our 4th hack. Clean tracks ensure smooth and efficient operation. Dirt, debris, and rust can mess things up. These can cause the door to become misaligned or even get stuck. Regularly inspect and clean the tracks, ensuring they're aligned. Use a damp cloth to wipe away any dirt and a vacuum for more stubborn debris. This prevents malfunctions and keeps your door on track, literally. A clean track means a door that operates smoothly and efficiently. Lastly, test the auto reverse safety feature. This is a critical safety component of your garage door. Place an object in the door's path and close it. This test ensures that the door will reverse if it encounters an obstruction. If it doesn't reverse, you've got a problem. This could be a sign of a malfunctioning sensor or other issues. This feature is crucial for safety, especially if you've got kids or pets. It can prevent accidents and injuries. Call a professional if it needs adjustment. They can ensure that your door is operating safely and correctly. So, why is this maintenance so important? Regular maintenance can save you from costly repairs and extend the life of your garage door. Regular upkeep extends your garage door's lifespan and prevents costly breakdowns. It's a small investment of time for significant long-term benefits. It keeps your door operating smoothly and quietly, adding to your home's comfort and curb appeal. A well-maintained door is also more energy efficient. Neglecting maintenance can lead to bigger problems. Think expensive repairs or even complete replacement. Don't let small issues turn into big ones. Plus, a well-maintained door means fewer safety hazards. You'll have peace of mind knowing your door is safe and secure. You'll save money and have peace of mind knowing your property is secure. Regular maintenance is a small price to pay for the benefits it brings. And remember, if you ever need expert help, Dr. Garage Door is just a call away. They offer a range of services to keep your door in top shape. They offer top-notch services and valuable tips for all your garage door needs. Whether it's a minor adjustment or a major repair, they've got you covered. So, there you have it. 5 easy garage door maintenance hacks to save you money and keep things running smoothly. These tips are simple but effective. Give these a try and your garage door will be in great shape for years to come. Thanks for watching. Your garage door will thank you too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. See you next time. Stay safe and happy maintaining.